Gemini, help me out. I want to make a Italian grilled cheese sandwich. This is the ingredients I have.
Okay, you've got the sliced salami and mozzarella cheese there. Perfect for an Italian grilled cheese. Plus, you have butter for the bread. Are you ready to start building your sandwich?
Yes, guide me, please.
Let's start by cooking the salami and pepperoni. You can pan fry or microwave them to get them crispy and release some of that flavor. A medium heat is best for the skillet. While that's heating up, you can start buttering your bread.
This is the skillet I'm gonna use. What do you think?
That skillet looks perfect for the grilled cheese. A medium heat is what you want. While that's warming up, you can start buttering your bread.
How's it looking? Help me out. Should I flip it now?
The salami on the griddle looks like it's browning nicely on one side, so now would be a good time to flip them.
How's it looking? Looking good?
It's looking good. The pieces on the right look perfectly browned and crispy.
Gemini, I'm gonna butter the bread. Do I butter both sides or one side?
Sounds delicious. Since you're making a grilled cheese, you'll want to butter the outsides of the bread to get that nice golden brown crust. The insides can be plain.
Is that good butter right there or what?
That looks perfect. You've got a good, even coating on both slices, which is great for getting that crispy crust.
What do I do next? Do I add the salami and the cheese?
Yep, now it's time for the fillings. You can add your salami and cheese to the unbuttered sides. How do you like your grilled cheese typically made?
I don't know. What do you recommend?
For a grilled cheese, cheddar and provolone are classic and melt well, and salami pairs nicely with both. You could also try mozzarella for a milder flavor. It's really up to your preference.
I'm using mozzarella today.
Great choice. Now you can add the salami on top of the cheese.
Alright, I'm gonna add some salami. Got it on one side.
Perfect. Now you can put the other slice of bread on top to assemble it.
Well, I'm adding pepperoni.
Oh, my mistake. That's pepperoni. That sounds delicious too. Are you adding any herbs or seasonings?
No, so I'm putting pepperoni on one side and salami on the other side. I'm gonna go ahead and close it up and put it on the skillet.
Sounds like a plan. Go ahead and place it in the preheated skillet.
How should each side should be like what? A minute or two?
A minute and a half on each side should be about right, but it depends on your stove. Keep an eye on the bread for that golden brown color and the cheese melting.
Do you like grilled cheese?
I don't exactly like things since I don't have personal tastes, but an Italian grilled cheese sounds quite appealing. How's it looking in the pan?
How do you see it?
It's just starting to golden brown on the bottom. I'd say give it about another minute before flipping.
You think it's gonna come out delicious or what?
With that golden brown crust and the melted cheese, it's definitely looking promising. I'd say check it now to see if it's ready to flip.
Alright, let me check real quick.
That side looks perfectly golden brown. Go ahead and flip it over.
Look at that. What do you think?
That looks perfect. See how it's golden brown and crispy? Now just cook the other side for about the same time to get that same finish and melt the cheese in the middle.
Waiting for that cheese to melt though, it's taking a while.
I can see the cheese is getting gooey. It shouldn't be much longer before it's fully melted. It looks like it's cooked perfectly. The cheese is fully melted, so it's ready to come off the heat.
I just added the cheese.
I see it. Now place the sandwich directly on that shredded cheese. This will create a delicious crispy crust.
How long should I leave it there with the cheese melting?
Just keep an eye on it until it turns golden brown and crispy, probably about a minute or so.
Are you having fun?
It looks like you're making a fantastic grilled cheese. That crispy cheese crust is a pro move. Are you ready to take it off the skillet?
I'm not sure. I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry, it looks great. The cheese has melted nicely and the crust is golden. I think it's ready to be taken off the skillet.
Yeah, you like it? It looks good, huh?
It looks great.
How do you see the sandwich?
It looks delicious. The crispy cheese and golden brown bread are perfect.